Welcome to this full guide on how to create region-wise reports in Looker Studio in 2026. If you want to understand which cities, states, or countries are performing best in your business or marketing campaigns, region-wise reporting is, super important. First, open Looker Studio and create a new report. Connect your data source, such as GA for Google Ads or Google Sheets. Make sure your data includes a geographic field like country, region, city, or location. Now add a Geo Map chart. Choose the correct location dimension, like country or city, and then select a metric such as users, sessions, revenue, or conversions. You'll instantly see performance by region on the map. Next, customize the map style. Adjust colors so high-performing regions stand out clearly. This makes patterns easier to notice at a quick glance. After that, add a table for detailed comparison. Use region or city as the dimension and include metrics like users, conversion rate, or sales. Sort the table to identify top performing and low performing regions. To go deeper, add filter controls. Include filters for date range, campaign, or traffic source. This lets you analyze region performance for specific periods or campaigns without editing the report. You can also compare regions over time. Add a line chart with date and region breakdown to track growth trends and seasonal changes. If you're presenting to stakeholders, use scorecards to show key metrics for selected regions. This keeps the report clean and easy to understand. Finally, share the report or schedule automated updates so your team always has the latest regional insights. And that's it, simple, visual, and powerful region-wise reporting using Looker Studio. If this guide helped, like the video, share it with your team, and don't forget to subscribe for more Looker Studio tutorials.